Dear Deputy Commissioner Mr. Xian Zude, dear Expo participants and colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very honored to say a few words at the occasion of this China International Big Data Industry Expo 2019. I'm always pleased when the private sector and the public sector come together in partnership to find the best solutions for all. And I'm particularly happy to speak about big data in this session, which is organized by our long-term close partner, the National Bureau of Statistics China and the Guizhou provincial government. When we talk about big data, we are not only talking about accessing and processing lots of data. We, official statisticians, are talking in particular about the promise and expectation that we will be able to do a better job to produce what we need to produce, namely relevant statistics and indicators for policy decision making. Data that become available very quickly, data that will be produced frequently, and data that will show us a lot of geospatial detail with breakdowns into many socio-demographic groups. Quality, relevant and timely data are essential to drive policies and programs for all people. Our policymakers need good data. If they try creating decent work for all, if they try mitigating environmental degradation, if they try containing the spread of the Ebola virus, or if they try improving the living conditions in our urban areas. In each of those instances, we need not only good data, but we need data which are relevant at this moment and which are available for all communities in our society. Today, big data paired with new technologies and with new methods give us unprecedented opportunities. In 2014, my office supported the independent expert advisory group which prepared the report on mobilizing the data revolution for sustainable development. This expert group recommended at that time to experiment with big data, to develop new cloud-based infrastructures, to work with all stakeholders and to support innovations that produce better and faster data in each of the areas of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals agenda. I'm therefore very encouraged and proud about two new United Nations initiatives led by my office to leverage new technologies, to integrate innovative data sources and improve data accessibility to support policymakers. Firstly, the UN Global Working Group on Big Data has created a cloud-based data innovation environment for the global statistical community and all its stakeholders. And secondly, the UN Data Hub for the Sustainable Development Goals provides a system to bring together multiple data sources and integrates them with geospatial information, providing an invaluable tool for decision-making in countries and globally. Already today, we can use satellite data to improve agricultural crop statistics or environment statistics. We use scanner data for better and faster calculation of the consumer price index. And we use mobile phone data for better statistics of domestic tourism. In this regard, I also warmly encourage the Big Data Statistics Institute to do pilot work on the use of big data for official statistics and to share the findings with our statistical colleagues around the world. I look forward to continue strengthening the institutional collaboration with the National Bureau of Statistics China and the provincial governments and the private sector in China, and to prove in this collaboration that big data can effectively be used for official statistics. Together, we can make progress, which will bring us closer to fulfilling the promises of our global United Nations 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Thank you very much.